Hey guys, this is Michelle Morris, Independent Scentsy Director for #FollowYourArrow. I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys on how to take your party rewards. This is one of those awesome perks of being a Scentsy consultant. I personally open several parties throughout the month and put in individual orders, and that allows me to take the earned rewards for myself. Or if I did a mystery hostess party, I would have the opportunity to give those away to customers that ordered during the party. So it's really pretty simple once you get the hang of it. You'll see right here where my cursor is, this is all the information that is happening here in the party. It has our host base amount, our PRV total, and it shows our earned rewards. So we have one half price, we have our perpetual party reward, and our host credit. So I'm just going to start by going over here. I want you to notice where it talks about the host reward fee. This is because it is optional to use your rewards. I don't know why anyone would never want to use rewards, but you may have a hostess that says, oh gosh, you know what, I only want to take just the host credit, I don't want to use the half off. Go ahead and use those for yourself or give them to a guest in the party. So we can start by taking our half off, and I think that I'll probably do a half off bundle of wax. So 6 Scentsy, and there pops up our 6 Scentsy bars. So you probably know by now that it takes you to a separate screen to go ahead and choose your scents, and you just start typing them in. We'll go ahead and just do 6 Go-Go Mangoes. That's one of my new favorites this season. And there you have it. We have a half price item, our 6 Scentsy bars, and they are only $15. Pretty cool, right? So let's go ahead and take our host credit. This is going to be done the exact same way. We select host credit, and you'll see here we have $26 in host credit. Now we can choose anything in the catalog to put those towards, except for things in the clearance section. So let me think about that for just a sec. I'm thinking about a $25 warmer. Which one? The Zen Rock warmer is, I believe, a $25 warmer. And we'll have that $1 left over. Now you're more than welcome to use that dollar, or just leave it. I think in this case I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. Don't forget about your perpetual party reward that is up here. You can choose to give it to anyone. You can even choose to give that perpetual party reward to someone that isn't in the party. If you do that, you can add new guest, and then the drop down menu here will have them listed, and you can give them that half off item. We can do another 6-pack of wax. I love to get my wax half off. This allows me to sell stock if I wish, which is a pretty cool perk once again. So 6. We'll just do Go-Go Mango again. If you haven't tried that one yet, it's pretty good. And there you have it. So there's another 6-pack of wax for $15. There's bars for $15, and there is a Zen Rock warmer that we got completely free. So in this case, for this party, we just got 12 bars of wax and a $25 warmer, all for $30. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped.